you're not good. You stink.
All right. This is a hitch that we got from where? A junkyard, of course. It's great. It's all solid, not rotted out like most of them are here up in the Midwest because of that dang gosh darn salt in the winter. But it's froze up. The receiver is frozen in there. Dad's heated it a bit and hit it a bunch. So our goal today is to get that out. Let's begin, shall we? All right, let's hit it. I got the sledgehammer that came off the Mayflower. Let's do it. This is fun. Come on. Oh, I hate you. Oh, you want to come out? You know you do. Come on, just come out. Didn't see that coming. This kind of sucks. All right, new plan. I'm gonna cut in with a torch. I'm gonna cut in and then in, down in, and try to blow out as much of the sides of this, the male part of it, as I can. And then I'm not gonna cut it completely because I still want something to hit off of. But if I cut in this way and then in this way a little bit and try to get it hot, hopefully it expands and contracts and I get this wall, the side wall is thin. Hopefully she comes out. I know I look cool, but these are my tinted safety glasses so I don't burn out my retinas. I'm hip. Oh, I don't like you. I really don't. All right. As you can see, it is now desperation time. Got a couple bottle jacks under it. I'm hoping it can balance and stay. And it just goes little by little. Hopefully it doesn't go flying. Oh my gosh, is it bending the angle iron? Come on. It's bending the angle iron. Oh my gosh, I gotta be careful with this one. Oh my gosh. It's not coming. How is this not coming? How is this not wanting to go? Oh my gosh. It's not, I'm pulling it. It's bending this thick angle iron. This stinks. Probably hot in the pistol too. I can feel it. It's still hot. This thing ain't coming out. How in the world? Oh, I gotta be careful. This one makes me a little nervous. Oh, that one doesn't even want to move. I guess I'll heat it when I do it. I don't want to heat it on this wood chair, but yeah, this is stupid. Just, you know you want to. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's just bending that metal. I don't know what to do. I got a ton of pressure on it. So let's put a ton more on there. Oh man, come on. Just let go. Not the jacks, but that. Yep, it's done. I quit. Many days later, I gave up on pulling that out. So, as you can see, we started to cut it. And you'll see on the other side, as you can tell, my patience has run out with working on this. I couldn't get my cutoff wheel that low, so I just, as you can see, I drilled a bunch of little holes in it. Now, and I did the same to the other side. See, now I'm just gonna take my hammer to it and have a fit on it, because I hate this thing. All right, I have safety glasses on because I am a safe person. And by the power of Thor, come on out. Let's try again. Don't want to hit the garage door opener, that'd be bad. I think I still have more cutting to do. All right, I drilled a little bit bigger holes on each side. So let's give it another wrap, and you guys can laugh at me when it doesn't work again. It moved. It moved a lot. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's breaking loose now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh. Happy day. Let's hit it again. Come on, one more hit. Just let this be it. Look at that thing. I got, and it still is just like, nope, I ain't letting go. Come on. Just break. All right, she's off. As you can see, I still have a lot of grinding to do, but hey, it's off. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the rust. Probably the light's not the best, but look at how rusty that is inside of there. There's no way we were getting that out. I hate you. Anyway, on a lighter note, that's off. So let's clean that up and get ready to put the new one on. Yay. All right, it's the next day. I've got this all cleaned up. What fun that was. But now I have a new problem. It's a little big for that receiver. Oh, and by the way, that receiver, I got it online. It's like less than 20 bucks, maybe around 20 bucks. So not a big deal. But anyway, to fix this, I'm gonna put this in there and then just put some spacers that I cut. So, a little cheesy, but you know what? It should work. Remember, this is going on a half-ton truck, not a one-ton truck. It's not going to tow like 30,000 pounds or anything silly like that. So it should work just fine. All right, let's get this done. All right, fast forward a bit, and it is done, finally. You can tell I made 2 passes because I had that chunk of metal in there on each side. But you know what? It is what it is. So, Dave, thanks again for letting me use your more heavy welder than what I got. So I really wanted to burn it in good. Thank you again, Dave. Appreciate it. I hit it with some rust converter, and she didn't look half bad. I also put in patches here and there. It was pitted, I don't think it was going to fall off, but, I'm like, what's it going to take? Just a little bit more time to do up. I might as well do it just to know it's A-okay. So, would I do this again? No. No way, Jose. This was a pain in the butt. I'm not going to lie. Not unless I don't recommend doing this unless you really are broke and have lots of time to do it and need one bad. That's the only way I'd do it again. So, but we did it. It's all about the experience, right? All right. Now that nightmare is over, yeah. I can get back on my charger. I am. I'm looking forward to that. I really am. So, anyway, thanks again for watching. It is appreciated. If you could like and subscribe, boy, I would sure appreciate it. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Take care.